Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Stack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Google TV streamer remote not connecting. So there's like 3 different things that we can try. The easiest way is probably just to hold down the back button and the home button right here. Hold this down for about 10 seconds and this should get it to reconnect. So after you hear that beep and that sound, it should be reconnected. That's the easiest way to do it. Now the other way is we can hold down the mute button and the center button right here and hold this down for about 10 seconds and wait for the sound to play down. So after it plays down, we can let go. So I'm going to let go. Now take out one battery, just like this. Hold down the home button as you're placing that battery in. Alright, continue to hold this down. And that sound is going to play and it should reconnect now. So you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.